Greetings.
And a most humble greeting to you, sir. Name's Carl, but Whistling Wacker they call me.
Interesting as monikers go.
When I was a lad, my pa told me, son, you'll be a merchant one day. If you want folk to buy from you, you gotta draw them in. You're neither pretty, nor smart, nor much of a sweet talker, so I hereby name you Whistling Wacker. People will come by just to ask you what it means. Don't blow those opportunities.
Wanted to see what you have on offer.
Can't charge you for looking. Peruse at will.
Harbor's real busy. Looks like Croc's marshalling his forces for war.
If that weren't old gossip, I'd take you for a spy. But I know you're a friend of Croc, so I'm proud to say you're right. Come summer, we'll have 3 new longboats. The Hemdall, the Cambie, and the Wild Boar of the Sea, the last for Croc himself.
Your clan planning to take up arms against Nilfgaard?
We'll see what our new king says. But it'd be strange to see those longships just sit in the harbour.
Don't know that I'm gonna buy anything, but I sure wouldn't mind a few rounds of gwent.
Greetings. Looking to buy?
See ya.